Add 2 eggs. And a tablespoon of labna and mix. Can use sour cream or cream cheese or thick cream or milk. I usually use whatever is available. Heat a pan on medium flame. I used the smallest burner of my stove. On high. Add butter and spread. If the pan is too hot, the butter will get burnt. Pour the egg mix. Gently move the egg from the edges of the pan to the middle and cook till done. Eggs must be soft and moist while turning off the stove. It will get cooked further in the pan after turning off. Season with salt and pepper.